The 16th century was an age of great blank exploration. Would cosmic, mental, land, or common man best fit this blank, or do none of the above make appropriate choices? We find the idea of the 16th century being an age of exploration in the first sentence of our text, which tells us that the 16th century was an age of great marine and terrestrial exploration. The word marine refers to the sea, as in submarine or aquamarine, while the word terrestrial refers to land, like extraterrestrial or terrain. Therefore, the correct answer is C, land. However, even if we are not familiar with the words marine and terrestrial, there's another way we can get to this answer. Many of our choices can be eliminated simply on the basis that they are not discussed in the text, mainly cosmic, as in space, mental, as in thought, and the common man. We would be left with land and none of the above, meaning if we can find proof in the text that land is being discovered and explored, this is our answer. Although it's true that the first paragraph tells us Magellan led the first expedition to sail around the world, we do see mention of land exploration throughout the text. Most importantly, that this is the reason Magellan is going on this expedition, to prove that the East Indies fell under Spanish authority. Therefore, even without prior knowledge of the word marine or terrestrial, we can mark C, land, as our final answer.